Your pup's sneezes aren't random. It's their secret language. You ever notice how dogs randomly sneeze when they're playing? Like they're all hyped up, chasing each other. Then, achoo. At first, I thought it was just dust or something in their nose. But turns out, it's actually communication. Yeah, sneezing during play is a calming signal. It's like their way of saying, hey, this is all fun, right? I'm not actually trying to fight you. Kind of like a safety check. Dogs are out here doing emotional check-ins mid-wrestle. I love that. We need that kind of energy in human arguments. Just sneeze to let people know you're still chill.